relaxing. Obviously the first day is not so easy to fight it. Very slowly, okay? Walk my feet out. So of course, you know, so
Good morning guys! For today's video, mag-free driving tayo! Hoping na matuto tayo mag-free dive from zero knowledge. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan mararating yung matututunan natin. Sa ano pala kami nag-book ng free diving sa Blue Apnea dito sa Panglao. Lapit lang sa accommodation. May book na free diving dito sa Panglao. Hindi nga natuto. So ito, it's 7 in the morning. Yung yoga atin ang namin. Optional naman yon if want yung mag-yoga or hindi. 7:30 yung yoga. Yung layo ng training area, 11 minutes galing sa accommodation namin dito sa Meadowbrook. So let's go, kita-kits doon. Hi guys! We are now here sa location ng Blue Freedom Apnea. And ito yung free diving schedule nila. Yung sa amin nga ay AIDA 1. And yung limit na pwede namin i-free dive is 10 meter deep under sea level. Of course, with the guide of our instructor, Sir Kim. So guys, this is the free yoga session and si Sir Terry yung naka-assign sa morning yoga for this day. The free yoga flow session starts at 7:30 AM kaya maaga din kami nagpunta to attend. Tinuruan kami dito on how to relax our body and proper breathing exercises.
Blue in the face.
After ng yoga session ay bumaba muna kami ni Ann para mag-sign sa AIDA medical statement at gear rental. Kasama na pala sa package yung gear kaya wala na kaming additional na binayaran.
Then we can breathe.
At exactly 9 AM ay nag-start na nga din yung aming theory class with our instructor Sir Kim. Siya din yung mag-guide sa amin mamaya sa open water for the actual free diving session. He also explained to us yung ways to hold our breath underwater and on how to equalize for every meter deep na binababa namin.
Practicing and relaxing. Obviously the first day is not so easy to fight it, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. Okay. However, both of you did very, very good. Very good.
Thank you.
How long? Grab your mask. Only the mask, right?
Bali, dito muna sa full session, pinapractice yung proper hold ng breath at relaxation bago sumabak sa open water.
Let's go to the open water. We're done with our full session.
swimmer na gaya namin.
So yun guys, magandang experience.
So yan,